Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nadima Famadi. I'm a real estate agent in Centurion West with Harcourt's Maritz. If you are not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for the support and love. Guys, we're almost on 500 subscribers. I'm so excited, and I really appreciate all the support that I have been receiving from everyone. So today's another day in my life. I'm gonna get my logbook signed. I'm not sure if you can see me because the sun is literally right in my face, so I'm hoping the lighting is not bad. I am parked right outside the office. I want to get a couple of things printed, and then I'm going to Forster Incorporated to get my logbook assessed and hopefully signed. Gosh, finally reaching the end of this logbook road. It has been a long journey, but I'm so excited that it's coming to an end. And yeah, well, let me go into the office, get a couple of things printed, and then I will catch you on the other side of this. Hey guys, so on my way to Forster Incorporated attorneys for the logbook assessment, my phone decided to give up on me, so I couldn't vlog that part. On my way home, I decided to pick up my rug from the car wash, and here you see me laying it out in the living room and then putting back the furniture. I will catch up with you once I sit down and chat to you guys. Hey guys, so just a little bit of an update. So I recently started selling secondhand furniture, but it's not something that's like consistent or something I do daily. It's just something I do part-time. I only started because so I started buying things off of Facebook Marketplace late last year, and then I couldn't stop. I was like always on Facebook Marketplace finding these nice pretty things, especially wood furniture. I realized that I really like chairs, so I've been purchasing chairs and refurbishing them and selling them again, so I get nice fabric, reupholster it, but it should be an easy chair to reupholster, like where it has removable cushions, then that's much easy to reupholster compared to like a couch or those really intricate upholstered chairs. I don't do that. Those chairs are already difficult to reupholster because I'm not that good yet. I'm a rookie. So yeah, I realized I have a love for furniture, but chairs specifically. I think if you follow me on Instagram, you should have seen a bookshelf I purchased off of a Facebook Marketplace. I also redid that. I love it. I kept that. I didn't sell that. What I have sold is now so far 4 chairs as a pair though, so 2 pairs chairs that I've sold so far. I'm enjoying it, but I only do it in my spare time when I do have time. Like the current chairs that I sold the chairs that I sold this weekend, I've had them for over a month, because I take my time. I only do the projects when I'm not busy and I have spare time and I don't know what to do. So then I just work on maybe sanding them down, and the reupholstery of the chair, and all of that. So yeah, it's been so much fun finding pretty pieces of wooden furniture, mid-century modern, art deco. So I'm really into that stuff, and I've really been enjoying it because it's not time consuming and it's not as demanding as the wig business. I also found these two chairs on Facebook Marketplace. I got both of them for 500 rand, but they're meant to be outdoor chairs. I actually thought they were going to be small enough to be like living room occasional chairs, but they're way too big to be like occasional chairs for a living room. They are meant for the outdoors. So I wanted to also change the covers on the cushion. I'm not sure on the cushions. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep them or if I'm going to sell them, but I really love the shape and I really wish they were smaller so they could look nice in our living room, but they're very oversized for the living room. And because we don't have an outdoor space where we stay now, they are currently in our living room. So yeah, I still need to decide if I'm going to sell them off once I've reupholstered and refurbished and refinished the wood, or if we're going to keep them for when we do move and also get a place that has an outdoor area like a balcony or a patio or small garden. That would be super nice. So what I did today was I went to what is it called? FS Fabric upholstery shop. It's on 84 Struben Street, Pretoria. They sell nice fabric, so I got this fabric for the project I'm about to work on now. I love it. I always do white or cream, so I decided to be bold and get this mustard. I'm not sure if the camera is showing its true color, but it's like mustardy yellow velvet. It was 59 rand a meter, so it's really affordable. Also, there's another store in Sunderland Ridge, also very affordable. I actually forgot to go to the one in Sunderland Ridge, so I had to go to Struben Street, also because I know the owner of the store, Uncle Johnny, is super friendly and always gives a discount. Also got staples for my upholstery gun. I think I'm going to film bits and pieces of me reupholstering the chair so you can see what it's like, and then put them on the market, see how much they can go for, and then yeah, so it's a hobby that makes extra cash. I mean, who doesn't need cash in this economy? Extra cash in this economy, but I try not to let it affect my real estate job, because that's not what I want. That is why I quit selling wigs, because wigs were so demanding and they were affecting my work. So this I only do when I have spare time, only do after work in the evenings when I get home and I'm not asleep yet. And yeah, and my daughter's currently away, so I have tons of time in my hands. So yeah, let's upholster.
As you can see, I'm removing the cushions from the frame of the chair. There's two of these chairs, but you can only see me working on one now. I try to make sure that I remove it carefully because I don't want to damage the frame as it is still in very good shape. It seems the chairs were hardly used and they were just kept in storage because they're in really good shape, and I just want to maybe refurbish the wood and also obviously reupholster the cushions. What I do next is to remove the fabric nicely. I always try to make sure that I remove it properly so it comes out intact, so I can use the same fabric to measure the fabric I will need to reupholster the seat. And I also make sure that I don't cut the exact same amount as they had used previously, because I'm still a rookie. I try to cut a bigger piece, so excess fabric, to make room for any mistakes that I might make, as you'll see me doing as you see me doing here. So I cut out our fabric nicely, and then we are going to reupholster the backrest of the chair. By this time I was actually already exhausted, so I didn't manage to complete the entire chair, and I also realized that my staple gun had run out of staples, so I decided to stop and end the vlog at this point.
Okay guys, now that I'm done with the laundry, cleaning up, I took a bath, I'm going to catch up on some work. Oh, by the way, sorry, hey guys, today is a different day and I'm continuing the vlog. Today's a Wednesday and yeah, I took a bath, did the laundry, cleaned up, now I'm going to catch up on some work. I'm going to call the people who made inquiries on the properties I have listed. I'm going to respond to a few emails. After all of that, I want to finish reupholstering the chairs, and then I'm going to fix the mistakes they asked me to fix on my logbook, and hopefully next week I can give it to my manager so she can make sure that everything is correct, and then I can get it signed and submitted to the EAAB. So let me get to work. So, okay, dokes. Let me just see what this is. Okay, don't have any emails to respond to this far, so I just want to call the clients who made inquiries on properties I have listed. Let me start with so 2 reasons I called. Okay, just text. Where's my diary? Oh, great. Hi, how are you? I'm well, thank you. You're speaking to Nandi Mofamadi from Harcourt's Marat. Okay, so it's also on WhatsApp. Yes. Okay, great. I will send you a WhatsApp to confirm the appointment. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Bye. I just went to get a pen because I realized that I didn't have a pen, and I also realized that the gentleman I just called, he called me for a previous property that has sold now. I actually did a tour on the property that has sold now. He's an investor, so he's a cash buyer. Hence, I didn't ask him for pre-approval because I've saved him as a cash buyer. So Saturday, I just need to. I'll send my seller a WhatsApp because she prefers him to contact her via WhatsApp and just confirm if she will be available. Okay, I just want to call my second client who made an inquiry, find out when they would like to view. Hi, how are you? Well, thank you. You're speaking to Nandi Mufamadi. I'm a real estate agent with Harcourt. You made an inquiry on a property I've listed in Liverpool State. It was going for 1,750.
I wanted to check on the photos which one was it specifically. So
Is your number on WhatsApp?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, I'll send you a link for the property.
Then please send it to me now, then you can call me after 5 minutes so I can view which one it is.
Okay, alright. Let me send it to you now on WhatsApp and then I'll give you a call after 5 minutes.
Okay, thank you.
Righty, bye.
Bye.
Okay, let me just send him the link. Then I'll give him a call and also ask if he pre-qualified this call for to a potential seller.
The mailbox off.
Okay, I'll call her back later. Hey guys, I'm done with work and I've managed to set up the viewing appointments with the two gentlemen that I called. Now I want to start working on the chairs, and then after that, as I said, I'm going to do my logbook. I feel like this vlog is going to be too long, so I think I'm going to end it here and then I'll start vlogging again tomorrow. So yeah, today I didn't do anything interesting because there's a shutdown, so I didn't go anywhere. I decided to stay home, so I'll be staying home for the rest of the day, and then yeah, I'll start vlogging. I'll start a new vlog tomorrow. But thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.